Hey everybody, this video I've got these a Rifkin money bags here with the Arco 7 locks, and it came up that somebody wanted to see one of these gutted. There's a Reddit thread, so I thought, what the hell, I got a lot of these bags, and I have one that the lock wasn't working too good, so I don't really mind destroying that for science. Now, to get these out of the bags, I thought I was gonna have to cut it, but I'm not sure if you'd be able to see in there. But right up here, probably won't be able to see, but okay, right there, you can see right where my thumb is. There's actually a screw, and there's one on each side, and just Phillips screw, you unscrew them, and then the lock will actually come out of the bag, which is what we have here. And this lock here, the plug moves, so the key gets stuck. I mean, it works fine as far as unlocking and locking, but you have to put your thumb there to pull the key out because the plug moves. So I thought this would be a good one to gut. So what I'm going to do here to try to gut it is I'm going to see if I can just get the pin cover off. It looks like the easiest way without having to like drill the bottom of it or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it in a vise here and see if I can do that. And I'm probably not going to drag the camera over there. I'm just going to try to pry these tabs up, and then we'll see if we can get it apart. All right, so to get it apart, then what I ended up having to do was just drill a small hole in the pin cover there. Just drilled it over the 7th pin and was able to just pop it off. And so here's what we got inside of it here. It's actually all standard pins. This is actually a retaining pin. This is what keeps the plug inside the lock. It's similar to like mailbox locks have something similar. It just fits into a little channel right here, which keeps, just lets it rotate only to a certain spot, and then keeps it from being able to pull out. And so here's all our key pins and our driver pins. And these things are actually all standard pins, it turns out. And similar to Schlage, if you look at like a Schlage, factory specs, it'll have different length drivers for different length key pins. And this looks like something similar here, like the longer the key pin, the shorter the driver, and vice versa. So we got a real short driver right here with a longer key pin. And then, of course, all of our springs, nothing fancy about any of that stuff. And these things, some of them, are kind of hard to pick. And I guess maybe just tight tolerances, possibly, or there's absolutely no security pins at all in here. The whole thing is standard pins. So that's what's inside one of these Arco 7 locks. And anybody has any questions or anything, leave them in the comments. I try to look at everything. And I guess if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. I'm always kind of messing around with something on the channel. And I don't know if anyone wants to see inside of this here, but it's just a actuator at the back there. And nothing else really too fancy about it. But like I said, any question or anything, put them in the comments. And we'll talk to everybody later.